Alright guys, just cut this very small bass. This live target jointed, I guess it's a jerk bait, I'm not real sure. I think it's like copper color. Alright, there he goes. First bass on this pond. On a crankbait I got in a Lucky Tackle box a while back. See what that hook is. Oh crap. I gotta get back to you guys. Okay, maybe I can get this one in. There we go. I think that's my first fish ever on a lipless crankbait. I'm pretty sure it is. I think this is like a cotton cordell lipless. Fish pretty cold. I think that's another male though. Not really sure, but what I was doing is whenever I cast it out there, I'd let it sink in and go like this, reel it in. Same thing, just back and forth like that. And finally he ate it right here in front of me. So I'll get back to you guys whenever I catch another one.